Hey guys, I'm Adrie and welcome to the House to Home series. This is episode 2 and it is a dining space design. This table is from CB2. It has a very eye-catching geometric base and I love the brass finish look. It's a statement piece that doesn't take up very much visual space, and that is something I look for in most of my furniture. This white faux leather chair has a modern C-shaped chrome base. When paired with the table, it creates a unique look of mixed metallics which will be continued throughout the space. So here we're finally introducing the accent color to the space as well as many textures. This place setting is from Z Gallery. I'm putting the centerpiece together by adding fragments of white rock quartz to this gorgeous glass bowl and placing a white stem inside. This piece was a huge steal because it ties together all the metallics used throughout the space. Also, the three-dimensional silver gravel really complements the geode napkin rings from the place setting. This piece was placed to frame the dining space area and picks up on the accent color from the place setting. The gold foil running through the middle and the gray hue throughout the piece also contributes to the mixed metallics design element. This chandelier is one of my favorite parts about this space. The brass frame complements the table's base perfectly. It's very modern yet glam at the same time, and it adds a warm glow to the entire room when it's on. I'll definitely link the chandelier and all the other products used in the description box below. So one last feature of this space which I love are the automatic blinds. The window really opens up the space and the scenery brings a lot of life to the room. That is it guys. Comment below your favorite part of this dining space, and if you haven't already, check out the empty house tour to guess where my next design project will be. Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.